Welcome to my Jamaican Dream House. My name is Wayne, and this is my dream. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. It helps the channel grow. Building a home from scratch takes a lot of time. There's a lot of little detail that we overlook in our house. It takes a while to build a house, but in the long run, I'm sure it will be worth it. So today we're finally filling in the driveway. Guys, that's a big tractor. I didn't think it would be able to fit around the house. All right, guys. So tomorrow they will be stealing up this area right here. I wanted to. This is not the design I really wanted. I'm not sure if it would look better than the one that I had in my head originally, but it would, instead of being bowed out like that, it would bow in, so it'd be wider here and narrower here and wider up there. Let me know, guys, if this was opposite, would it look better? How what you guys think about that? Alright, let me know in the comment. Thank you. Okay, that loud fella here in the background is my new goat. Yeah, I'm trying to get him to eat all this grass. But he's so loud. Say hi. Oh, and he's scary too. I want to act like he's shy. Yeah, this is the lifestyle I want, though. You know, being able to live off the land, have my own animal. Wow, he's coming close to me. Wow, I can't believe that. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So basically, live off the land. You know, have my own stuff. Being independent, off the grid, energy, water, all that good stuff. You know, nice fresh air. Tired of the city life. I don't, you know what I'm saying? I don't want it anymore. My whole life been in the city. That's what it's all about for me. Next time you see, you probably have like 50 head of goats just running around. Today the cable guys are here to install my internet. I thought I had enough material to do everything, but I guess I fell short. So I end up buying 2 loads of material, 1 dump and 1 mall. And this is where the nightmare started, but I'm not going to go into that in this session. If you want to hear about it, please let me know in the comment, and I'll make a video about that. Okay guys, I wasn't able to get this video up in time. I know I asked you guys about the design. The builder was so fast, we got it done before I got the video up. So this is what my original plan was. I hope I made the right choice. All right, now I'm able to access this portion of the house. I'm gonna put a veranda right up here, so there's a veranda below here, and there's gonna be one up here now. Now I'll have all of this right here for entertainment. I'm gonna put a rail around it, and I'm gonna grill here and put some roof up here. So I'll have a nice area to hang out and relax. Nice breeze, nice view. This is my master bathroom. Hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments still what you guys think. Which one I should, if I should have went this way or the other way. I'm still curious. These guys also dressed this wall right here. And this wall downstairs. Finally got the window corrected. It's smaller now. They started to work on the beam. I got this part ready. I'm trying to get all the concrete work done. Get all this masonry work done so I can move on. And I owe it all to you guys for encouraging me on my journey. I want to say thank you. I'm so grateful to reach so far.